Every boat in the harbor thought it was safe. But one small boat couldn't stop staring at the horizon. The others warned about storms, waves, and failure. They said leaving was dangerous. And they were right. The waves were fierce. The wind was relentless. The journey was hard. But every mile made the boat stronger. Every challenge taught it how to navigate the unknown. Then one morning, the boat discovered something the harbor never could. Harbors keep you safe. But the open sea is where greatness is found.